Today, with tools as simple as a laptop computer and an internet connection, it is possible for the individual to become a manufacturer and to make a profit doing so. Clever software, social networks, and new production processes like 3D printing are ushering in a third industrial revolution in which anyone can dream up a design and see it built within days at a small fraction of the traditional cost. The impact will be profound. Two companies that are putting these tools into the hands of the individual can be found in New York City, once the capital of manufacturing in America. They are called Shapeways and Quirky. Shapeways, formerly a Dutch company but now headquartered in the middle of Manhattan, uses 3D printers to make anything its community dreams up.
Shapeways is a service where people can make, buy and sell anything they want. They can upload their product designs to our website. We will quote it in different materials and then you can buy it for yourself. And that's not all. You can also start selling those products to a worldwide audience.
Last year, Shapeways printed 750,000 items for people.
We currently can already produce things in plastics, in stainless steel. We can produce in silver, ceramics, full color, and even glass.
Gadgets and craft ideas tend to dominate. 3D printers are capable of producing complex shapes, but they can also print mechanical objects with moving parts.
So one of the things that 3D printing enables is that you can make fully functional, movable parts in one shot. So this is an example of that. It's called strand-based from a Dutch designer called Theo Jansen. And if you look closely, you see that it really has a lot of moving parts. And this is made in one shot. So that just gives an example of the possibilities that 3D printing provides.
It is, though, early days. 3D printers are improving in ability and are able to print an increasing variety of materials. Parts for fighter jets and cars are being made with 3D printers by some manufacturers today. And unlike traditional factories, 3D printers are not confined by economies of scale. This makes them ideal for producing small volumes and customized objects. For a while yet, many mass-produced products will still be made by conventional means. But change is coming. And with it, manufacturing is becoming less dependent on wage costs. This means production can move back to big cities like New York, where it once dominated but has since dwindled.
We picked New York for a bunch of reasons. The main one is we really wanted to be close to the community. I think a lot of people think 3D printing is sort of this foreign technology. We wanted it to be something that people could come and visit, they could see, they could witness the machines firsthand, and we could really, give back and support a lot of the designers that are here and based in the city.
Another young firm that has built its headquarters in New York is Quirky, which operates from a converted warehouse near the Hudson River. Here, a group of designers turn the best ideas submitted by their online community into products.
So Quirky is a consumer products company. We develop brand new consumer products. But the difference between us and all the other consumer product companies are we actually develop 2 consumer products every week. And the ideas from those products don't come from sort of the boardroom and the people within the walls of Quirky. They come from people all around the world that we've never met.
Quirky has nearly 200,000 registered users, and many ideas circulate in its online forums. When one gets enough likes by the community and is chosen by the staff, weeks or months of brainstorming, refining, and engineering follow. Prototypes are made in Quirky's machine shop, which uses some of the latest production equipment, including 3D printers and laser cutters. The inventor and the users who give valuable feedback are known as influencers, and they are kept close to the process, joining video discussions and submitting their own critiques and test results along the way. The users suggest colors, modifications, and even help set the pricing. Then, if the prototypes get the go-ahead, outside manufacturers are contracted to mass-produce the products. This is usually done in conventional ways. The final products are sold online and in stores. Devices that solve common problems like clutter under the computer or in the kitchen have been the most popular. One of Quirky's most successful items is a flexible extension lead. And the inventors stand to make quite a bit of money off their ideas.
If we're successful, they're successful, right? We don't make money until their products are successful, and they don't make money until our company is successful and drives revenue off of their ideas. But we actually share 30% of our direct revenue and 10% of our sort of offline revenue at brick and mortar retail back with our community. We have community members making hundreds of thousands of dollars per year just on the royalties they've had from sharing their creativity on a website. That's why I love what we do.
Quirky says it is prepared to have a go at making just about anything, and their platform is not just for amateurs with back-of-the-napkin ideas. Quirky invites designs from inventors who have tried the traditional manufacturing route. Some even have patents of their own.
For people that have sort of gone further down the product development process and they have a patent and they've kind of invested in this, invariably they will sort of reach a wall. What do I do next? We're very willing to take an idea and attempt to bring it forward.
Online services like Shapeways and Quirky show that the barriers of entry to manufacturing are coming down. To make something, all you need is a good idea and a laptop computer. Whether in cities, villages, or the back of beyond, technologies like these will encourage people to design products that have never existed before and change the way the world makes things.
The Economist.